Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A34, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my phone. Just make sure that whatever you want to capture is visible right now on a display, and once it is, all you need to do is hold power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have the flash along with a pop-up and a sound with share and edit options, and after a moment this will disappear. There we go. So once this little pop-up disappears, you can find your screenshot in your gallery application. Typically it would be located in the Photos tab, which you will be able to find your screenshots. You can see there it is right at the front. But if you're planning to look for your screenshots later on down the line, because you captured whatever screenshot for some kind of purpose to have something as a backup or whatever, you can navigate to folders, and in folders you will find album called screenshots, and obviously in here you will find strictly screenshots and then nothing else, so it's much easier to find whatever you're looking for as a screenshot that you have captured. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.